Furnace costs. What actually drives the price? When homeowners start looking into replacing a furnace, they often expect to find a simple number, a typical cost, an average price. But furnace costs aren't set by a single number. They're driven by a handful of key decisions that most homeowners don't realize they're making. The first thing that drives furnace cost is the type and quality of the furnace itself. There are basic furnaces designed to do one thing well: heat the home reliably. There are mid-range furnaces that add efficiency, quieter operation, and more consistent comfort. And there are higher-end furnaces with advanced features designed for homeowners who want refinement, control, and long-term performance. Each level lives in a different price range, and none of them are automatically right or wrong. Efficiency is another major price driver. Higher efficiency furnaces can reduce fuel usage over time, but they usually cost more upfront. They may also require additional components or adjustments during installation. Some homeowners prefer the lowest initial cost. Others value lower monthly energy bills. That choice alone can move the price significantly. Features also affect cost. Things like quieter operation, more even temperatures from room to room, and improved airflow are often optional. They're not standard on every furnace. When homeowners add features that improve comfort, they also change the final price. Again, that's not a problem. It's a choice. Another factor that drives furnace cost is how long you plan to stay in your home. If you're planning to move in a few years, your priorities may be different than if this is your long-term home. Homeowners who are older and financially comfortable often have more flexibility. They can take their time. They can explore better options. They don't have to choose based on urgency alone. Finally, timing matters. Replacing a furnace before it fails usually gives homeowners more control and more options. Waiting until a breakdown, especially during extreme cold, often limits choices and increases stress. That can affect cost. Not because the furnace changed, but because the conditions did. The most important thing to understand is this: furnace costs aren't random and they aren't hidden. They're shaped by decisions about comfort, efficiency, features, and long-term plans. When homeowners understand what actually drives the price, they stop feeling confused by numbers. They start feeling confident in the choice they're making. And that's what matters most when it comes to furnace costs.
Before you replace your furnace, remember this: the cost isn't one number. It's a range created by choices. Your furnace cost moves based on the level of equipment you choose, the efficiency you want, and the comfort features that matter to you.
It also depends on your timing. Planning early gives you more options and less pressure.
And the most important part is knowing what you want to optimize for: lowest upfront cost, long-term operating savings, or long-term comfort and peace of mind. When homeowners understand what truly drives the cost, they stop chasing a number and start making a confident decision. This is one of those home decisions that feels much better when you make it before you have to.